Alright, let's drop down to the Hoover Dam. I just went through the inspection checkpoint. They pulled me over and had me open all the doors so they could have a look-see into the Dano van. I wish I could have recorded, but I don't think they would have liked that. So we're rolling now, making our way down to Hoover Dam. And I thank them for the service. The Memorial Bridge Plaza is, but we're gonna keep on rolling. Kind of like an Arizona, Nevada kind of day. Very hard to go 15 miles an hour downhill like this. How cool is this, huh? And then it says reduce speed ahead. Look at that bridge. Man, it's just beautiful. Wow. I came over it. I specifically went down to Willow Beach just so I could come back over it. Look at this. Nice little twisty turn right here. Wow. Amazing, our engineers, what we can do, huh? I don't remember how long the project was, but...
In 600 feet, turn left.
Alright. Let's see, maybe we should go around the Arizona side.
Turn left, then you'll arrive at your destination.
Oh no, I got her talking at me. So tell me to make a U-turn and everything else.
In half a mile, you will arrive at your destination.
I should shut her off. She's gonna make me have to do edits. I wonder if you called a Hoover, they come down here and pick you up. Look at that, there's a memorial. Oh, cool, huh? Nevada time is 5 to 5. Water's so low you can't even see it from the bridge. You have to stand out of the car. Arizona time, same time. I think that all changes maybe this weekend. There's the bridge. First time you came to Boulder Hoover Dam? I can know exactly when I came.
You've arrived.
Thank you. I'd like to answer that question. 1973. Dad had some business out in Las Vegas, had a convention. My mom had passed away, and they were going to do that convention themselves. But since my mom was no longer, whoops, there's the Arizona sign. Since my mom was no longer present on our earth. She went to the heavens. My dad said, son, how would you like to go to Las Vegas on a convention? And I said, Dad, you don't have to tell me twice or ask me twice. I'm down. So we came to Las Vegas. He said, now, son, do you want to see some shows? Or do you want to see the sights and rent a car? Now, I knew at that time, I was just 18 and a half. My dad was 65. He was my age. I'm his age now. Back then. Well, and I said, well, Dad, I don't really care about not seeing any shows. I'd rather rent a car. See, I was thinking a little further ahead because I know Dad wasn't going to stay up all night. He'd get back to the hotel and he'd crash. So I'm going to pull in here. Anyway, I don't know how we're going to do it. We've got to make a U-turn. But anyway, I guess we got to go up here and make the U-turn. But anyway, so being I was just a kid, I was wide awake, I was seeing stuff I had never seen before. I decided I was going to take that rental car and I was going to go see some sights. Look at that. And so exactly what I did. Drove all around Vegas. Vegas was a lot smaller than it is now. There wasn't as many casinos, and the strip was kind of barren. There wasn't really anything up, just a Tropicana up on that end. I guess that would be the north side. And then there was downtown, and in fact our hotel was downtown. And on Fremont Street, actually. And back then, Fremont Street wasn't such a bad area. I'm going to pull right over here. Alright. Well, to conclude that story, we had a good time in Vegas. I saw how the ladies of the night in the casinos operated. I saw them sit down and wait for a phone call on the couch at Caesars. You get a phone call, pick up the phone, and not that much longer, there's a nice, handsome young man coming down and introduced himself, and off they'd go. So that was my first time in Vegas, 1973, and I hailed from New York way back then. So been here, and it's changed ever so often. We didn't have all these parking lots up here. Obviously, we didn't have security checkpoints, and obviously Interstate 11 wasn't through, or the bridges. But that is what has happened. And what now? How many years is that? 46 years? Wow, is that right? Oh. So anyway, there you have it. Here's what it looks like up here on the Arizona side. There's a little store in there. Been there, done that. We won't go any further. So maybe we'll be back for more to add. If not, Dano Live, you're on Dano Vision.